Doctor, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
My name is Ozo Akajiófòr. Please, I want to thank you once again because the Most High used you to bring and to restore back the health of our brother, though we are still praying for total healing, and we thank you for that. Please,
You're welcome.
yeah, thank you. There is something we had and which we want to confirm from you because we had an appalling story. And this very issue now has gone viral, and so many people didn't even believe on what we saw as touching the blood vomiting, kind of when he was raising up and vomiting blood. So many people didn't believe in the video that I saw. I mean, Don Prince, aka Sampe Master. Yeah. So, what do you have to say about that video? Is it fake or is it real? Please, we want to confirm.
The video is real.
Okay.
It's real. He's the one that vomited that blood.
Please, sorry, before we proceed, please, can we know the name of your hospital?
Okay. This is Banner of Zion Maternity Center.
Okay.
It's located in Oga Street off Oyemene.
Okay. And the name, please.
And my name is Mrs. Ozo Akajiófòr.
Thank you.
So he is my patient.
Okay.
And he has been complaining lately last year how he has been passing out blood and vomiting blood occasionally. So I told him that he should go for several.
You mean last year? Sorry.
Even last year, yes.
Okay.
So that incident, the recent incident, happened on the night of 17th January 2020. He called me around 10:40 p.m. that he was vomiting blood and that he was very weak. So I told him to come, that I am around. He came with the wife in their company of a keke driver. He was very weak, though not pale. So he checked his BP. It was a bit low. Then we decided to set up infusion that will sustain him till morning. In the morning, around 4 a.m., after easing himself, he shouted that he had a severe chest pain. He held his chest very tight, and was shaking. His hands were so stiff that it was difficult to remove. We tried to remove the hands, and he went into deep unconsciousness. He couldn't respond to call again, couldn't respond to pain. He just passed off. We were battling. We didn't know what else to do. After giving some resuscitative drugs, we entered into prayer. Okay. We are praying and calling him back, calling his spirit back. After praying, we got exhausted and we checked his vital signs. His vital signs came back. There was a pulse, the respiratory rates normalized, and he was just lying down calmly, but had no atonic feeling. He doesn't feel there is pain when you hit him or do anything. When he passed away, we were doing what we call cardiac massage, pressing the chest. That is the reason why he's having chest pain up till now, because of the cardiac massage.
Yes.
So during that period, the wife was so anxious. We were feeling for her. Then I personally told her to call some of their relations in this kind of state because we need to transfer him to a bigger facility.
Okay.
So she told me that the only people they have were in the village, and she doesn't want to alarm them that particular time. And the people that the husband called, we are yet to call her because she was unable to open the phone of her husband. So I made an effort to call one of the doctors that knew him. The man promised to come in the morning if nothing would happen.
Yes.
He remained deeply unconscious for about 2 hours. Between that 4:30 a.m. and 5:30, he came back
to life.
And began to demand from the wife to give him something from their wardrobe. When she told him that you are not in the home, you are in the hospital.
Okay, which means he didn't realize where he was.
Where he was. Okay. So we really thank God that he saved the situation for us and made him to be alive. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Please.